What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So nama aku Rais, and for those yang dah subscribe, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And for those yang belum, please do so, support your boy. So for today's video, we are going to the X Park Sunway Serene indoor go-kart track, and it is the largest indoor go-kart track in Southeast Asia, guys. Wow. And it is located in our country, guys. Okay, Petaling Jaya, Malaysia. Stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's go! Yes sir! Finally we are here, guys. So kat sini dia ada kiddie cart, single seater, double seater, fast cart. So this is the package. So you guys boleh check out kat sini. Let's go. So guys, if I'm not mistaken, the owner of this place is Alex Yong. Okay, so who is Alex Yong? Alex Yong is a Malaysian driver, racing driver basically from Malaysia for the past years. So hopefully you guys boleh datang sini, get the experience of driving go-kart kat sini. So this is the fastest 45 seconds. Yeah, this is the name lah. Okay, impossible lah nak dapat macam diorang kan. So kita try our best kan.
Kat sini punya best record berapa? 45 second.
45 seconds record.
Alright.
Kita cuba lah apa. Okay, so aku akan try pakai GoPro to get the point of view punya video. Hopefully view dia ngam-ngam lah, okay? Tak shaky ke apa. Alright. Okay, let's go.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
So guys, aku disappointed gila sebabkan the neck holder tu tak boleh support aku punya GoPro. So aku tak boleh guys dapat POV video hari tu. But it's okay, hari ni aku datang balik and aku dah beli proper stuff untuk GoPro tu. So without further ado, let's go! Asal jadi break? Asal jadi break? Okay guys, my best is T14. 49 second. No. Woo. Okay guys, done with the go-kart, done with the POV. Track dia bapak slippery, corner tajam, and then dia punya speed dia laju gila weh, gentle. Fun experience. So siapa yang tengah tengok video ni, korang boleh datang kat sini rasa lah macam mana go-kart ni. Okay, so last time aku ajak member aku, but then POV tak jadi. But this time aku ajak adik aku to join. Jadi, what's good?
Let's go guys. Kat sini guys.
So Ji, macam mana tu? Experience padu kan?
Baik. Aku tekan minyak sikit dah pick up gear babi. Lepas tu tekan brake memang dia baik lah.
Yeah! Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoy my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow my Instagram. Just support your boy, okay? Ji, cakap apa Ji?
Jangan lupa like, subscribe, turn on notification korang. Ciao.